How to find my W-2 online with TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your employer is partnered with TurboTax, you can import your W-2 directly instead of entering it manually. The first thing you want to do is log into your TurboTax account and open your tax return. Now click on Federal, then select Wages and Income. Now find W-2 income option. Click on Start option over there. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to import your W-2? Now you want to enter your employer's EIN from your W-2. If your employer partners with TurboTax, your W-2 should be imported automatically. If TurboTax doesn't find your W-2, you can check your employer's payroll portal or head over to IRS Get My Wage transcript or contact your employer or HR department for a copy, then enter all the information manually. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.